FACEIT verification is a crucial security process that protects the integrity of the gaming platform. Understanding why this system exists will help you appreciate its importance for the entire gaming community. FACEIT verification serves four critical purposes. First, it provides anti-cheat protection by preventing cheaters and banned players from simply creating new accounts to continue their harmful behavior. Second, it ensures fair matchmaking by verifying player identities and skill levels, so you're matched with opponents of similar abilities rather than facing smurfs or highly skilled players on fake accounts. Third, it promotes community safety by significantly reducing smurfing, toxicity, and account abuse. When players know their accounts are tied to their real identity, they're more likely to behave responsibly. Finally, it maintains tournament integrity by ensuring that competitive play and organized tournaments have verified, legitimate participants who meet the required standards. The modern FACEIT verification process includes multiple steps like phone verification through QR codes and anti-cheat system integration. These systems work together to create a comprehensive security framework. Attempting to bypass FACEIT verification has serious consequences. It violates their terms of service and results in permanent account bans, meaning you lose all progress, statistics, and access to the platform. Beyond account suspension, you may face additional restrictions, including hardware or IP-based blocks, inability to participate in tournaments, and lasting damage to your gaming reputation in the community. Instead of trying to circumvent the system, focus on understanding the verification process and completing it correctly. Working with FACEIT's security measures rather than against them ensures a better and safer gaming experience for everyone. While you cannot skip FACEIT's verification process, there are several legitimate strategies you can use to make the experience much smoother and faster. Let's explore the best practices that will help you get verified efficiently. The first step to streamlining your verification is proper account preparation. Having everything ready before you start will prevent delays and reduce the chance of verification failures. Start with phone verification using a valid, active phone number. Complete this step promptly, as it's usually instant and required for all other verification steps. Next, prepare clear, well-lit photos for identity verification. Poor quality images are the most common cause of verification delays, so take time to ensure your photos meet FACEIT's requirements. Ensure all your personal information is accurate and consistent across all platforms. Mismatched information between your FACEIT account, Steam profile, and identification documents will cause verification failures. Finally, link your Steam account properly before starting verification. Make sure your Steam profile is public and matches the information on your FACEIT account. Once your account is prepared, following these best practices during the actual verification process will help ensure everything goes smoothly and quickly. Verify your account during business hours when possible. FACEIT's manual review team is most active during standard business hours, which means faster processing times for your verification request. Use a stable internet connection throughout the verification process. Connection drops or slow speeds can interrupt uploads and cause you to restart the entire process. Keep all your linked accounts in good standing and maintain consistent usernames across platforms. This helps FACEIT's automated systems verify your identity more quickly. If you encounter legitimate issues during verification, there are proper channels to get help without violating FACEIT's terms of service. Contact FACEIT support through official channels if you experience technical problems or need clarification about requirements. Their support team can provide personalized assistance for legitimate verification issues. Check FACEIT's status page for known issues and review their FAQ documentation. Many common problems have documented solutions that can save you time and frustration. By following these legitimate strategies, you can significantly reduce your FACEIT verification time while maintaining compliance with their security requirements. Proper preparation and following best practices will get you into matches faster and help maintain the integrity of the platform for all players.